Welcome to the house of Momova. Momita and Pavan live in Ambience Courtyard, and this is their beautiful 3 BHK. So to start off, we have a TV unit which we have done in Duco finish, and the grooves are made in CNC. We have given some storage and added a little lighting on the counter as well. Living room seating arrangement, we have done some curved sofas, and then we have also done like a curved center table come ottoman, which can be used as additional seating or like a lounger when you want to rest. And we have again added the kind of wood lighting on the walls as well. So in the dining, we had just done a little crockery unit, which is not your traditional crockery unit. There'll be photo frames on this wall, and coming to the dining table. This dining table is made of onyx, and we have given an asymmetrical shape. The curves and the asymmetrical shapes match all the other shapes that are going on in the home. And then we also have this beautiful chandelier planned. And if you look at the levels of lighting, we have given layered lighting. So there is wall lighting, there is ceiling lighting, and there is cove lighting as well. We have a mandir, which is again very minimal. This artwork was done by our client herself, and we have given enough mandir storage.
Let me now take you through the kitchen. The kitchen is continued with a brown and beige theme, like we've continued in the entire home. And the countertop is a quartz, which is in brown color, which is a little different from the usual white ones. For the overhead cabinets, we have added a lot of double lift up storage so that it's easily accessible. A waterfall sink, some cabinets under the overhead storage for everyday spices and knickknacks, lots of tandems, drawers, and regular openable storage.
My most favorite part about this luxurious master bedroom is this artwork. We had windows on either side of the bed. We just did tall curtains and a huge headboard. And our bed is also upholstered, and we have floor to ceiling wardrobes with the same color, and then a dressing unit with fluted glass door and a full length mirror with some extra lighting to get ready. If you've noticed, this entire bedroom, we have gone with a very monochromatic look. Everything is either beige or brown. Our wall paints are beige. Our wardrobe is beige. We have added some brown detailing in the curtains, and the bed also upholstery was done in beige. This makes the room look more expansive, more luxurious, and also adds a sense of space. Another thing to notice is we had wooden flooring, so a beige element on the walls made it look much more lighter on the eyes and also gave it a very spacious look. This is another guest cum study room. So here also we went with a bed with a cute little headboard, and we have done the similar pattern on the wall, continued it on the wardrobe, matched the ceiling, the loft with the same things. And the study table, we have given some storage, a closed book shelving, and some ledges for more storage. And on the opposite side, we kept the mirror a little off center the bed so that the reflection is not on the mirror directly when you wake up, and a small more storage on the opposite side.
So now this is the office cum guest room. Most favorite part of the room is the neon light sign, which is our client's names cutely made into a logo, and we made a neon light out of it. And there was a niche, so we highlighted that entire niche in a very light pastel mint color because we still wanted the logo to be the highlight. And another very comfortable sofa, which can be also made into a bed. Sofa to use it during work hours, and bed when you have more guests, and a small mirror cum wardrobe which acts like a dresser when some people are there, and a simple foldable ledge that can be used as a study table.